Everyday English conversation practice. At the gas station. Asking for road assistance.
Hi. I'm having some trouble with my car. Do you offer any road assistance services here?
Yes. We do offer emergency roadside assistance. What seems to be the problem?
My car won't start. I think it's the battery. I'm not sure if I need a jump start or if the battery is completely dead.
We can definitely help you with that. We have jumper cables here, and we can assist you with jump starting your car if you need it.
That would be great. I haven't had to jump start a car before. Is there anything special I should know?
It's important to connect the cables properly to avoid damaging the car. I'll walk you through the steps to make sure everything is safe.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'm a little stressed about the situation.
No problem. It's a pretty common issue. First, we'll connect the positive terminal to the battery in your car and then the other one to the donor car's battery. Then, we'll connect the negative terminal to a metal part of your car away from the battery.
Sounds simple enough.
It's easier when you do it step by step. Let's give it a try now.
All right, I'll follow your lead.
Great. After we connect everything, I'll start the donor car and give it a few minutes before trying to start yours.
Got it. Let's do this.
Here we go. I'll be right here in case anything goes wrong.
Thanks again for your help.
Anytime. It's what we're here for.
Refueling for a long trip.
Hi. I'm about to head out on a long road trip. Can I fill up my tank here?
Of course. Are you going on vacation or just traveling for work?
I'm going to Florida to visit family. It's going to be quite a long drive.
That sounds like a great trip. You'll definitely want to fill up all the way. Do you need regular unleaded or premium fuel?
Regular unleaded will be fine. I just want to make sure I have enough for the journey.
Good choice. It's always a good idea to fill up before a long trip. You don't want to run low when you're far from a station.
Definitely. How much do you think it will cost to fill the tank?
With your car, it should be around $45 for a full tank, depending on the current price per gallon.
All right, that's not too bad. I'll go ahead and fill it up.
Perfect. Just be sure to check your tire pressure before you head out too. It can help with fuel efficiency.
Great tip, I'll do that. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip and enjoy your time with your family.
I will, thanks again.
Inquiring about special offers.
Hi. Do you have any special offers or discounts on gas today?
Actually, yes. We have a promotion today for the premium fuel. You can save 10 cents per gallon if you use our rewards card.
That sounds like a good deal. How do I get the rewards card?
It's easy. You can sign up at the counter, and the card is free. Once you have it, you can use it at any of our locations for discounts.
That's great. I'll take one of those cards.
Excellent choice. Let me set that up for you. You'll also earn points every time you fill up, which can be used for even more discounts later.
Nice. I didn't know you had a rewards program. I'll definitely use it more often.
It's definitely worth it, especially if you drive a lot. And the best part is, it's free to join.
Sounds like a win-win. Thanks for letting me know about it.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just let me know.
I will. Thanks again.
Paying with a credit card.
Hi! I'd like to pay for my gas with my credit card. No problem. Please insert or swipe your card, and you can select your payment method on the screen.
Okay. I've inserted the card. Should I select credit now?
Yes. Just select credit, and then it will prompt you to enter your zip code for security.
Got it. I've entered it. How long will the payment process take?
It should only take a few seconds. Once it's approved, you'll see the payment go through, and the receipt will print automatically.
That's pretty quick. I usually just pay with cash, but this is much more convenient.
It's definitely more convenient, especially when you're in a hurry. Plus, you can track your payments online later.
I'll have to try that. Do you offer any discounts if I use a credit card?
Unfortunately, we don't have any specific discounts for credit cards, but the rewards program offers savings on gas.
Oh, I didn't know about that. I'll have to check it out.
It's a great way to save money. Let me know if you want to sign up.
I'll do that next time. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Asking for windshield washer fluid.
Hi. I'm running low on windshield washer fluid. Do you sell any here?
Yes, we do. It's located near the air pump, right by the tyre care station.
Great. I need to refill it before my drive. Is there a specific type you recommend?
We have both regular windshield washer fluid and winter fluid. The regular one should be fine unless you're in very cold temperatures.
I think the regular one will work for me. How much is it?
It's $5 for a bottle of regular fluid.
Okay, I'll grab that. I always forget to check it until I'm on the road.
It happens to the best of us. It's always good to keep your windshield clean for better visibility, especially if it's raining.
Definitely. I don't want to deal with a dirty windshield on the highway.
Exactly. It's a quick fix, and it can make a big difference while driving.
Thanks for the reminder. I'll take the bottle now.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. Thanks.
Complaining about service.
Excuse me, I've been waiting for over 10 minutes, and no one has come to help me yet.
I'm really sorry for the wait. I was in the back dealing with a delivery, but I'll be with you right now.
I understand, but it's frustrating when there's no one around to assist.
I completely understand, and I apologize for the inconvenience. We're a bit short-staffed today, but I'll make sure to take care of you immediately.
I appreciate that, but this isn't the first time I've had to wait. The service is usually good, but today has been different.
I sincerely apologize for that. I'll make sure to notify my manager to see how we can improve the service, especially on busy days.
I'd appreciate that. It's just a little disappointing, that's all.
I understand, and again, I'm very sorry for the delay. Let me fill up your tank and get you on your way quickly.
Thank you for understanding. I know it's not your fault.
You're welcome, and thank you for your patience.
Asking for a receipt.
Hi. I just filled up my tank, and I forgot to ask for a receipt. Could I get one, please?
Of course. Let me print that for you. Do you need a copy for business or personal use?
It's for my personal records. I'm trying to track my gas expenses for the month.
I totally understand. It's always a good idea to keep track.
Exactly. I like to budget for gas each month, so having the receipts helps me keep things organized.
That's smart. It's also helpful if you ever need to make an expense report.
Definitely. I've been keeping a folder for all my receipts.
Great. Here's your receipt. If you ever need another copy or have any issues, feel free to come by.
Thanks. I really appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a great day and drive safely.
Talking about fuel efficiency.
Hi. I've been hearing a lot about fuel efficiency lately. Can you tell me if premium fuel is really better for my car?
That's a great question. Premium fuel can improve performance in some cars, especially high performance or luxury vehicles. But for most regular cars, regular unleaded works just fine.
Interesting. I've always wondered if it was worth the extra cost.
It's definitely more expensive, but unless your car specifically requires premium fuel, it may not give you a noticeable improvement in fuel efficiency.
I see. My car is a standard sedan, so I guess I'll stick with regular unleaded.
That's a good choice. Most sedans run just as efficiently with regular fuel, and it's more budget-friendly.
Thanks for the advice. I've been trying to save a little on gas.
You're welcome. Small changes like using regular fuel and maintaining your tire pressure can make a big difference in fuel economy.
I'll definitely keep that in mind. Thanks again.
No problem. Have a great day and enjoy the drive.